Installing the Canva Desktop app on your Windows computer provides faster access to all your design projects and tools. This tutorial covers everything you need to know about getting Canva up and running on your Windows PC in just a few simple steps. Begin by opening a web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Canva Download and hit Enter. From the search results that appear, click on the first result, which should lead you to the official Canva download page for desktop applications. Once you arrive at the download page, you'll notice several platform options available. These include Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and Chromebook versions. Since we're installing on a Windows PC, locate and select Download Canva for Windows button. This action will initiate the download of the Canva setup executable file. The download process typically completes within a few moments, depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download finishes, you'll have the Canva installer ready on your system. Locate the downloaded setup file, which should be in your Downloads folder by default. Double-click the installer to launch it. The installation wizard will start automatically and begin extracting and installing the necessary files. The entire installation process is remarkably quick, typically completing in under 60 seconds, so there's minimal waiting time involved. After installation completes, the Canva application will launch automatically. You'll be presented with login options where you can either sign into your existing Canva account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. You can choose from various login methods including email, Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. For this demonstration, I'll be logging in using my Google account by selecting Continue with Google option. If the displayed email address is correct, click Yes, Continue to proceed. Once you've confirmed your selection, authorize the login by clicking Open when prompted. Upon successful authentication, the full Canva desktop application will open on your screen. The desktop app provides quicker load times, smoother navigation, and more convenient access compared to the browser version. You have successfully installed Canva on your Windows PC and can now enjoy seamless access to professional design tools whenever you need them. Thank you for watching.